garden sky is gray, and the clouds rolling slow. The raindrops start to dance, making everything glow. The fields are getting soaked, the earth drinks it down. On this rainy day, the farm wears a glistening crown. Rainy days on the farm, filling up the ponds, a blessing in disguise where the gardens respond. Wildlife wanders free beneath the cloudy sky. Rainy days on the farm, where nature comes alive. The gardens soak it in, the roots are reaching deep. Food forests flourish in the rain's gentle sweep. The wildflowers free under nature's gentle care. On this rainy day, everything feels rare. Rainy days on the farm, bringing life anew. A messy kind of magic in the rain's gentle sweep. The wildflowers sway under nature's gentle care. On this rainy day, everything feels rare. Rainy days on the farm, bringing life anew. A messy kind of magic as the water pours through. The barn stands sturdy while the raindrops play. Rainy days on the farm, painting skies of gray. In the workshop I find shelter as the rain beats on the roof, fixing things and making plans while the storms remain aloof. Patching up the fences and oiling up the tools, servicing equipment, following nature's rules. The ponds slowly fill, the streams begin to flow. Nature's gentle lullaby in the rain's gentle show. The landscape soaks in life, every drop a gift. On this rainy day, our spirits start to lift. Rainy days on the farm, filling up the ponds, a blessing in disguise where the gardens respond. Wildlife wanders free beneath the cloudy sky. Rainy days on the farm, where nature comes alive. So let the rain keep falling, let the storm clouds stay. In the barn and workshop, I find my work today. Rainy days on the farm, a blessing from above. In every drop that falls, we find a farmer's love.